Welcome to Chemistry Cooking! And today we're going to be making brownies. To make these brownies, we have our ingredients: brownie mix, water, oil, and an egg. But why does the egg feel cold on my hand?
Because your hand is giving off exothermic energy and the egg is endothermic, so it's taking the heat from your hand.
Wow, incredible! All these ingredients will create our solution of brownies.
Now, we preheat the oven to 350 before we start baking.
Why do you have to preheat the oven?
We preheat the oven to get the molecules inside moving faster to bake the brownies.
Grease the pan.
But why are we greasing the pan?
So that way there's less adhesion between the brownies and the pan, which means that we'll be able to take the brownies out easier.
Next, we have to mix all the ingredients together.
Egg. And then lots of oil. It's to that one. And then now we mix it. But Bobby, why do we have to mix the solution?
So we can agitate the solution.
Ding!
Pour the solution into the pan.
And for the brownies, we'll be using this separator.
Why is it better to use that while cooking the brownies?
Well, to have this, it separates the pieces, which uses less surface area in the oven, so it cooks faster.
Now we put the brownies in the oven. Do you feel that, Natalie?
Yes, I do, Tori. It's very warm.
It's an exothermic reaction because the heat from the oven is coming out.
Through this chart, you can see the brownie mix started off as a solid, but through agitation with the other ingredients, it became a liquid.
As the brownies are cooking in the oven right now, they're going to turn back into a solid to create delicious brownies. Tori, what is a little calorie?
A little calorie is the energy required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 Celsius. And the amount of little calories in the brownies we're currently making is 3,040,000. And the amount of big calories we have right now in the oven, in big calories, is 3,040, which is still a lot. But don't worry, they're delicious. What's the difference between a joule and a little calorie?
Great question, Tori. A calorie, a little calorie actually, is 1 compared to 4.184 joules.
So that must mean that there's 706,635.76 joules in our brownies.
Yes. And let's put ice cream on it.
Why is the ice cream melting on the brownies now?
Well, the brownies are creating an exothermic reaction, which lets the ice cream become an endothermic reaction, releasing its heat onto the ice cream, making it melt.